If your goal is to hit 90 push-ups in one single set, you need a smart and structured approach, not random training. Here are the 5 detailed methods translated exactly as written. 1. A structured progressive overload program, for example, an 8-week plan. The idea, you increase intensity or total volume gradually and systematically so your body adapts to higher reps. How to apply it? Sample 8-week plan. Baseline test. Find your current max reps in one set. Progression principle. Each week, increase volume by a small percentage, 5 to 15%, or add reps to each set. Weekly structure. Example for intermediate level. Day 1. Strength or intensity. 6 times 50 to 60% of max. Rest 90 to 120 seconds. Day 2. Volume. 8 to 12 sets with moderate reps. For example, if max equals 30, do 8 times 12 split across the session. Day 3. Light or active recovery. 5 sets times 40% max spread across the day. Day 4. Optional power day. 4 times 6 to 8 faster push-ups with a slight elevation for added resistance. Weekly increase. Add 1 to 3 reps per set or an extra set every 2 weeks. Retest every 2 weeks. Track improvement. Why it works? Muscles and the nervous system adapt to gradual increases while lowering injury risk. 2. Improve technique and efficiency. Every movement counts. The idea, clean technique saves energy and delays fatigue, giving more reps with less effort. Key technical points. Body alignment. Straight line from shoulders to feet, no sagging or raising hips. Range of motion. Lower until your chest nearly reaches hand level. Full range is ideal, but consistent range is better for high-rep goals. Hand placement. Slightly wider than shoulders to balance chest plus triceps activation. Breathing. Inhale on the way down, exhale when pushing up. Maintains power. Tempo. Controlled rhythm. Quick but stable descent. Strong but smooth push. Avoid full lockout. Keep a slight bend to avoid joint strain and wasted energy. Why it matters? Better technique equals reduced energy cost per rep, allowing you to reach 90 before fatigue. 3. Grease the groove, plus frequent sub-max sets throughout the day. The idea, you perform many non-fatiguing sets throughout the day, improving neurological efficiency. How to apply? Choose a rep count that's approximately 40 to 60% of your max. Do this set 4 to 6 times per day at different times. Never reach failure. The goal is clean, easy reps. Duration, 4 to 8 weeks alongside your main training. Daily spacing. Keep GTG separate from heavy training sessions. Why it works? It increases neural adaptation. Your body becomes extremely efficient at the push-up pattern. 4. Strengthen accessory muscles and core stability. The idea, push-ups rely on chest, triceps, front delts, and core stability. Strengthen them to delay fatigue. Important accessory exercises. Triceps, dips, triceps extensions, close grip push-ups, 6 to 12 reps. Chest and shoulders heavy, bench press or dumbbell press 3 to 5 times 5 to 8 reps. Shoulder endurance, pike push-ups, handstand progressions. Core stability, planks, hollow holds, anti-rotation exercises. Muscular endurance, 3 times AMRAP without reaching failure, or supersets. Recommended weekly plan, 2 accessory days, 30 to 45 minutes each, alongside your push-up sessions. Why it works? The set ends when one muscle fails. Strengthening the weak links extends your endurance. 5. Recovery, nutrition, and test day preparation. The idea, without proper rest and fuel, you can't perform anywhere near your real potential. Key elements: sleep, 7 to 9 hours. Protein, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram per day. Carbs, eat a carb-rich meal 2 to 3 hours before or a quick snack 30 to 60 minutes before. Hydration, stay well hydrated. Optional supplements: caffeine, 3 to 6 milligram per kilogram may improve performance. Warm up for the test, 10 to 15 minutes mobility plus light planks plus 2 warm-up sets of 10 to 15 easy push-ups. Rest 2 to 4 minutes, then attempt the max. Maintain controlled speed. Fast early reps waste energy. Why it works? Your highest performance appears only when body and mind are fully prepared. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more strength-building tips and powerful fitness motivation.